My name is Lauren Despain, and this is Residential Real Estate. That's houses, right? According to Bankrate.com, residential areas encompass a very large variety of potential dwellings, from houses to houseboats, and from neighborhood types ranging from the poorest slum to the wealthiest suburban subdivision. Many of these are not specifically real estate, which is a legal definition describing estate ownership. Residential real estate emerges when land sanctioned for residential use is purchased by someone, which becomes real property. To continue, residential real estate is often the most important financial investment a person owns, and the value of real property on the estate is subject to shifts in the real estate market. Some people purchase real estate in the hope of making money, either by selling it at a profit or leasing it to others and charging them rent. But most people simply live on their property. So the current state of real estate here in Utah, where I live, is booming. Residential real estate, it's continuing to grow. The neighborhoods are developing. Things are being built every day. There's just a lot of growth here in Utah. And properties here are selling before they even get to the market. I work with someone who recently sold his house, and before they even had pictures taken of their house, there was somebody there looking through it and had made an offer that night. So really, in Utah, it's growing a lot. In the future, there's continued growth as the areas continue to expand. Here in Utah, we have Silicon Slopes, which is a very big draw to the area right now. So it'll probably keep growing for a while, although it may slow when there's like a shift in the economy or just plain slow in growth, There's only so much room here. So other observations that I noticed: market value increase. Is it realistic? Homes have been selling for way above their market value for a while now. And so I just wonder if that's a sustainable practice or if that's going to go away. In general, the numbers are slowing. According to Forbes, this is a person who was writing the article, says, "My first tip-off that winds of change were brewing came from an interview with a New York City real estate agent back in June. Over the phone, he told me that home prices were going down in the area 5 to 10% from 6 months ago. I had to listen back through the recording to make sure I understood it right, but he'd made no mistake." So overall, prices are going down, and they say that it's not just like the winter effect, I think is what they called it, but prices are actually going down, and that is affecting the market in different ways, of course slowing down, and prices going down as well.